Friends, this is what we call the batter mixture. So this is egg yolk mixture here. This is the consistency. It's not very runny, just right up to its mixture. This is what we call the meringue mixture, and these are more on egg whites with sugar and cream of tartar. There you go, it's quite done, so we have to put it down. So it took me 8 minutes to produce stiff pig. So we're going to divide this into 3 parts. So the first part, or 1/3 of the entire white mixture or the meringue mixture, I added here into my butter mixture. Simply cut and fold until well combined. Okay friends, once 2 mixtures we combined already, mix it using your spatula or your scraper to smoothen the sides and make sure everything is well combined. No more such bubbles, no more lumps. Okay, so we are about to pour the entire mixture into our tray, baking tray. This is a large baking tray. So friends, once we pour the entire mixture into our baking tray or baking pan, we have to level it. We have to spread it evenly. So there you go friends, we have to tap it so that the air bubbles will be out. Just tap it 3 or 4 times and this is good to go. So it's about time that we have to toss it into the oven, into our oven's middle rack. So I preheated my oven into 330 degrees Fahrenheit. So we will bake this for 30 to 35 minutes. I'll set it for 35 minutes, and if needed, increments of 2 minutes will follow. There you go friends, then we have to close it. There you go, we will set our timer to, let's say, 35 minutes. Then start. Set this aside and we'll try to check it after 35 minutes at 330 degrees Fahrenheit. It's time to tidy up. Okay, there you go friends, it's perfectly baked, golden brown. So this is it. So I have to let you see up close and personal of our mango sponge cake. So beautiful cake friends. So we are going to let this cool off first for maybe 5 minutes, and then we're going to make our filling, mango filling. Great friends for me to determine whether the cake is done at the bottom. No, not that bottom part, but just here. I'll have to make sure it bounces and this is ready to go. I don't really need to have a toothpick test. I just feel it with my clean hands. So I have to loosen it using the tip of my knife. Beautiful. Same as on the other side. Same process, friends. So for our mango filling, I added half a cup of white sugar and then this mango juice, 2 cups. This is 2 cups left here. There you go. So I did not turn on yet the flame. It's off for now. So until the sugar is dissolved. So there you go. Turn on the flame. And I will just add yellow food color. It depends upon how much color you want. The choice is always yours. Bring it to simmer. So let's add, this is a good butter actually. Well, let's add half a cup of this butter to moisten our filling, our mango filling. So friends, I have here this cornstarch. Whatever brand you have, simply you can always go ahead. I have here 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Dilute it with half a cup of water. Mix it until no more lumps. So this is what we call slurry. So it will help bind or slightly not gravy. We're not making gravy. For the filling, it helps bind its filling. And then make sure there's no more lumps. So this is good to go. So we have to mix it. This is very easy when you make your filling. You can either use pineapples, guava, peaches, but remember this is our mango filling. So we're going to pour this into our mango mixture. Then we'll just mix it until this will be partly thickened but not very thick. So you have to adjust your flame into medium, lower medium flame until we can achieve slightly gravy. No, not gravy. Filling. So friends, this is quite done. So we're going to turn off our flame. Voila. And then let us set this aside for maybe 5 or 7 minutes until such time it cools off afterwards. And we're going to put this into our filling in our mango sponge cake. So great friends, I have here powdered sugar or icing sugar, less than, or let's say 1/4 cup. This is just to drizzle on top of our cake. So that it will not stick. So maybe only 2 tablespoons that we added because we did not finish the 1/4 cup. There you go. So wonderful friends, from the cooking pot, I transferred it here into our serving bowl. So I have here this large tray. So I'll have to flip over that this one into my baking pan here. So I try to put that way, cover it, and flip it over. There you go. So take out my pan, set this aside, and so we're going to take out this parchment paper slowly, slowly, slowly. So this is the bottom part of our mango cake, sponge mango cake, and this is the parchment paper. So this is our mango filling. So we're going to add half of it, just half of it here. And then spread it evenly. So there you go. Half of it, we're going to slice it and put it on top of this half portion of our cake. So make sure you spread the filling evenly. So friends, I have here serrated knife for slicing, or corrugated knife. So we're going to slice half of it. Okay, there you go. Set this aside for now. Okay, with my clean hands, I just washed my hands. So there you go. So make it press a little bit so that it will stick with each other. Okay, and so whatever slices you wanna achieve, simply you can always do that to follow the slices. So here's my cake stand, and I'm going to slice this and arrange it into my cake stand, friends. I'll just use my hands. My hands are clean actually. So this is our mango sponge cake. Very, very delicious. I hope you have fun, and thank you very much for watching La Arnie's Kitchen and Food Creations. Till the next time, friends.